Benyo Marete, CEO Solution Sacco. Today is our CSR day. We are actually commissioning tree planting exercise in our schools, mostly primary schools. We are saying we want to start with our young children to teach them the importance of planting trees, and that is why you can see we are with these pupils from DEB Meru Township, whereby we are planting trees within their compound. You can see this compound is big and very bare. And when they are out playing, they don't have even have a shade. We are saying that due to destruction of our environment by cutting of trees, we have witnessed a climate change which has affected mostly our country, Kenya, and our county, Meru. And we are saying we want to start from Meru as we go to other counties, showing them the importance of planting trees. Solution Sacco being an enterprise, we have realized that we cannot do our business sustainably if we do not also conserve the environment within which we operate. We realize that when there is drought, when we have floods, when our members plant and they are not able to harvest, when the animals are dying, they are not able to do proper business with us because they cannot be able to repay their loans, they cannot save, and therefore there can't be life without trees. And that is why we have come out strongly saying that we need to plant trees and very vigorously and in a very sustainable manner. So every rains, we shall also see whether we can plant some more, because Meru also has the other season, which is the long rains from the Timau region. That time we will also really emphasize in planting trees on the other side. Otherwise, we are praying God that these young Kenyans will pick this habit of planting trees, not only in their school compounds, but also even at home. And not only planting, you take care.